So you think you've seen luxury on wheels? Think again. The 2026 Airstream Interstate redefines what it means to travel in style, and we're here to give you the full breakdown. From cutting-edge tech to handcrafted comfort, this isn't just a camper van, it's a statement. Welcome back to AF Car Reviews, where today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated Class B motorhomes of the year. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2026 Interstate carries that iconic Airstream look, sleek, silver, and unmistakably premium. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it combines German engineering with Airstream's American craftsmanship. The aerodynamic body lines aren't just for show, they improve fuel efficiency and make handling smooth, even on long road trips. Under the hood, the 3.0L V6 turbo diesel engine delivers both power and reliability. You'll get about 18 miles per gallon, which is impressive for a luxury van of this size. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, the ride is smooth and surprisingly quiet. Step inside, and this is where the magic really happens. You're greeted by premium ultra-leather seating, real wood cabinetry, and elegant LED lighting throughout the cabin. The layout is intelligently designed. Whether you're lounging, dining, or sleeping, everything feels spacious and thoughtfully placed. The rear seating area transforms effortlessly into a sleeping space, and there's no shortage of storage thanks to clever overhead compartments and underseat drawers. Let's talk tech. The Interstate comes with a full digital cockpit, advanced navigation system, and Mercedes-Benz safety features like active lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot assist. Airstream also integrates their own touchscreen control system, allowing you to manage lighting, climate, and water levels at your fingertips. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped. Solid surface countertops, a 2-burner cooktop, stainless steel sink, microwave, and a 5-cubic-foot refrigerator. And yes, there's a wet bath with a toilet, shower, and sink, because why should you sacrifice comfort on the road? Pricing starts at around $200,000, depending on the trim and optional features. It's an investment, but for serious travelers or digital nomads, the value is undeniable. So, is the 2026 Airstream Interstate worth it? If you're looking for freedom, flexibility, and 5-star comfort wherever you go, the answer is absolutely. Stick with AF Car Reviews for more honest takes on the latest in automotive excellence. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Safe travels and see you in the next one.